HP Pavilion x360 Convertible 14. Unity Systems Solutions. The HP Pavilion x360 14 is a convertible laptop with a 360-degree hinge that's available in a variety of different configurations. Its plastic chassis feels solid and decently built, and since it's lightweight and compact, it's easy to bring along with you. The user experience is decent overall thanks to its smooth touchpad, good-sized keyboard, and decently loud, neutral-sounding speakers. The port selection is great, including a dedicated HDMI port and a single USB-C port that supports USB power delivery and display out. While its IPS display has decent viewing angles overall, it looks washed out and doesn't get bright enough to overcome glare. Innovatively engineered to rotate 360 degrees so that you can be entertained from any angle you choose. What's your angle? One laptop, get the job done anytime, anywhere. Two tablet, working with your hands has never been easier. Stand, get the keyboard out of the way to binge, watch and chill. Tent, touch, swipe, and zoom to navigate easily. Display 35.6 cm, 14, diagonal, FHD, 1920x1080, multi-touch-enabled, IPS, edge-to-edge glass, micro-edge, 250 nits, 45% NTSC. Microprocessor Intel Core i5-1155G7. Up to 4.5 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 8 MB L3 cache, 4 cores, 8 threads. Chipset Intel Integrated SoC. Memory, standard 8 GB DDR4-3200 MHz RAM, 2x4 GB. Video graphics Intel Iris X graphics. Hard drive 512 GB PCIe NVMe M2 SSD. Battery type 3 cell, 43 Wh Li-ion polymer. Battery life mixed usage up to 8 hours and 30 minutes. Video playback battery life up to 12 hours. Audio by B&O, dual speakers, HP Audio Boost.